comment and thumbs up down below. And if you do that and follow the Instagram on the screen, you have a good chance of winning a free gold rope chain from NameBran. Real gold. Comment and thumbs up down below. Back in action, we're back. Well, that was weird. I usually get right out of bed and chat up Ian, the cameraman, roommate, or my girl right when I wake up. I've been up for like 4 hours there at work. I haven't spoke out loud yet today. That was crazy. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Thank you for joining back. First off, 2-in-1 video. I'll get into that in a second, but the thing you clicked on, obviously, through the title. Boys, this is never before seen. I'm always looking for like new things, new weird websites to hit up, or like new deals that people are claiming. What we're checking out today in this video, hopefully, I'm just kidding, obviously, is literally free jewelry I found online. Generally, people are doing like free jewelry, pay shipping, blah, blah, blah. We'll get into that. Now, this is literally just free. You don't even pay shipping. First, though, I gotta talk to you guys about some. You can skip ahead if you want. I strongly suggest you don't, but whatever. I'm not gonna make it easy for you to skip ahead, by the way, boys, and just know, oh, this is where he's done talking. So, anyway, I gotta get feelings off my chest real quick. I didn't want to do a separate video of this, even though I tried to yesterday, but I didn't want to do a separate video of this because I don't want to title, you know, getting my feelings out. It's weird, like, I don't want to clickbait you with that. So I'm gonna add it into a cool video. Boys, you guys know that I've been, and I'm gonna keep this pretty uncut and pretty short. You guys know I've been very honest about my mental health issues and stuff over the many years of YouTube. As you guys know from the videos and stuff like that, the past months, video views are going down. I haven't been uploading as much, blah, blah, blah. Pretty much, boys, I've been really, and I tried to film this yesterday because it was the worst day I've had in a long time. However, I broke out in tears and I'm like, this isn't really the vibe that I want. So I just scrapped the video. But I've been really sad lately, and I think that's cool to say out loud to you guys. I've dealt with depression my whole life and other struggles for sure. I guess when winter hits most of the time, like when it gets real cold outside, it's just like 10 times my sadness. You know, I woke up yesterday and just like kind of just cried. I went to the room and I said, Sarah, and I apologize to you guys for this. I said, Sarah, it's my girl. I haven't uploaded in 3 days. If I don't upload today, it's 4. Which gets me even more anxious, more sad, and she's like, man, just do one of those little like typing posts to people. You know how you could type and just put it up on the main page? You guys can read it. So I was like, no, I'll do that. And then actually I felt like I should just make a video, but like I say, it just turned out really like too sad. Anyway, I've been really struggling mentally lately. I've been taking off a lot more mental health days than I probably, well, I shouldn't say should be, but that I really need. So I'd say 80% of the time when I'm not uploading, I'm generally just going through that stuff. And yeah, it's been hard lately, but last night, man, I tried my very hardest to put myself in the mindset of waking up tomorrow's the next day and like being a lot happier. Now, I had to fake it to make it for a couple hours this morning. I'm feeling tenfold better than yesterday and many days in the past. I just want to put that out there, not in a regular video, but yeah, I've been struggling a lot, as many do. And I don't want to, I'm not doing this for sympathy, I just want to keep you on the same page. Appreciate y'all, that's my little talk. That was 3 minutes. Okay, let's get into the video. I did not mean to make that long. I could have made it longer. I have a lot more to say, but I think sadness is enough. Alright, boys, so luckily I have a bunch of you on Instagram. It's right here. Go follow it right now, and please hit me up with any links and stuff like that. Just don't hit me up with the weird ones. I've gotten, honestly, many viruses from you guys. Many computers. So somebody hit me up with one of these links. I can't take credit. I didn't find it myself, bro. I can't even remember your name. This is a game changer, bro. Like I said, you know how my website, NameBranFam.com, link is down below, not an ad, but I'm gonna kind of make it into it with this explanation. Anyway, we sell free jewelry. All we ask you to do is pay shipping, right? Because somehow I gotta make a buck. I don't make much profit off you guys, but I gotta make a little bit. You could actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, by the way, with the link down below. And we have mystery boxes for $24.99. Okay, anyway, so this website, bro, they were giving away free jewelry. Now, it's the free jewelry part, then there's shipping. I didn't even pay shipping. I'm not gonna be plugging this website because I don't know what the hell I just gave my, or who I just gave my address to. I don't know what their plan is with this website. However, in order to get the free jewelry, you had to put in your email and subscribe to their mailing list. Like, that was one of the things. Yeah, so they got something out of it. I'm sure they'll have more drops in the future. Somehow they make bank off it, so it was well supplied. Just last, I have something free in the mail just by giving my email. I can't remember if I remember correct, if I picked it out, I'm not gonna lie, or if it was just random. I can't remember what the hell I got, but anyway, free jewelry off this website. I'm gonna do more research on them, maybe later on when I can actually trust these guys. No, they're not coming to my house and kicking down the door. Then maybe I'll like post a link if it seems straight up. But for right now, there's absolutely no way. We got big dog, boys. Go try it. Can't legally say she'll bite you though if you come in, because that's bad news. She won't bite you, she'll just be really mean. Or will she? Just kidding. Alright boys, here's our free jewelry right here. And this is coming from United States Postal Service too. So this isn't like drop shipped from China unless they got it all to their house. And then, okay, well maybe it still is crappy jewelry. Well who knows. Anyway, boys, let's get into it. Our free piece of jewelry. The first on the channel. First on YouTube, maybe. Don't buy off this website. I'm not recommending this. Keep them... Now, obviously, this isn't going to be the coolest piece of jewelry as it was 100% free. However, we're just really checking if we actually got jewelry or a note saying, hey, we're coming to your house later. You know what I mean? Boys, here we go. And we do have something, and I feel it's jewelry. Very small. Oh, okay, so... Oh, no! Worst case scenario. Yeah. Oh no, it's better! It's better than worst case. So we have the chain, it's nothing special. I thought it was one of those, you know those ball chains? Like, you get them, you know when you were kind of a loser in like grade 5 and you had your cool little chain on, but it was just a bunch of metal balls that inevitably turned your neck green? It's not that. This actually looks stylish. And we're gonna check if it's silver. Actually, it's not too bad. I don't know what kind of link that is. There we go. It's not, what the hell is that? It's not a ball chain. It's not, I mean, it's free. Oh, it looks sick too. It's kind of that cool length where I look like a boss. You know what I mean? You know what? I'm gonna wear this for a few days, like at least a few. I'm gonna shower with it too. And I'll come back to you later on in one of our videos and tell you if it turned my neck green, or you're just gonna look at my neck and I'm gonna look like half the Hulk. You know what I mean? Or just like a little smidge of the Hulk. It's gonna look like the Hulk's dick was wrapped around my neck a couple times or something like that. Boys, there's our free piece of jewelry. I wish I could give the website, but I don't trust this at all. It's just weird. Definitely losing money. Shipping's what from America freaking to Canada, like for a box too. That's gotta be like 10 bucks. I don't know shipping. I don't know shipping from America. Boys, there's our chain. We got it free. Oh, this is sick! Okay, now that I look at this more, what it has right here though, you can add a pendant onto it. I don't think I've seen that often. Anyway, crap chain. Oh, shit! I was gonna wear that. Okay, well, I forgot about that plan. Damn it! I was gonna wear that for 3 days. I'll tie it back up and I'll wear it for 3 days and update you. There's our free chain. It wasn't a scam. This was another part of our claim series or whatever the hell. I'm sorry to just unbox that one thing for you, but I thought, like, I don't know, this was... Oh, and we have a card in here. What does that say? Oh, it's just their website. I'm not gonna show you, but we have a card. Okay, appreciate y'all. We got something free for free. All free. Bye. Stupid.